Alright, so you just get your grinder, cut all around it. There you go. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm grinding it perfectly smooth all the way around. So, see, it spins. Let's get some handles on this thing. So I'm going to cut this in half. Piece of stainless. We're going to make handles for the side. We're going to make handles for the side here. Alright, so once again, I got this stainless tubing. It's pretty thick. I'm going to cut it 5 inches for handles. Alright, so I got them cut. My stainless tubing, hollow. Both. And we're going to put it on our torque converter. Similar to that, but I'm going to bring them in approximately to here. So it'll be like that. Alright, let's continue cutting. Alright, so I got my tubes cut. You can see how I put an edge on them. Both sides. This one's still hot, burning my hand. Anybody want to know who your friend is? Or really your best friend? Because it's not me. It's going to be your 4-inch grinder. Nice thick grinding blade there. That's how you put these on. Then, I don't know how to do with one hand. Of course, you got to line them up. Alright, let me TIG weld these and I'll be right back. Alright, so that's your final product. Still hot. But you get the idea. When you're installing everything back in, instead of using your hand on the shaft, now you got the tool.